Nagbahagi si Gerald Anderson ng mga larawan sa kanyang 36th birthday party na inorganize ng kanyang girlfriend na si Julia Barreto. Makikita na nakakandong si Julia kay Gerald at very sweet ang dalawa sa isa't isa. Dumalo din dito ang ama ni Gerald at pamilya ni Julia kasama ng ilan sa kanilang mga kaibigan sa showbiz na si Raver, Rogen at EA. I don't really party but this party is all about gratitude. Thank you for all the love at greetings everyone. 36 years of wins, losses, lessons, and blessings. Samantala sa isang interview ni Corina Sanchez kay Gerald Anderson, inamin ni Gerald na si Julia Barreto na nga ang nais nitong pakasalan. Ayon kay Gerald, Julia Barreto as the person he's going to marry. In an interview with Corina Sanchez, Anderson said that all his present endeavors are leading up to plans of settling down. Genuinely, lahat ng ginagawa ko sa career ko, sa show business, sa pagiging businessman is leading up to that point, expounding on seeing Barreto in his future. Anderson added, "You just know. Alam mo lang you feel na may nagbabago sa'yo. You feel na mas nag-iiba yung priorities mo or mas naging malinaw sa'yo priorities mo. Ang hirap mag-explain iba yung pakiramdam." Barreto and Anderson have become increasingly open about their relationship since going public with their relationship in March 2021. Anderson earlier referred to Barreto as the one, saying that while he hopes to marry her eventually, they intend to achieve a quota first when it comes to their showbiz careers.